So I was 11 years old when I had surgery and they completely removed my lateral meniscus on my left knee. And the doctors pretty much said, don't do anything, because if you do, you're going to end up in a wheelchair because you're going to get arthritis. So I went from living a very active life to being very afraid to do much of anything. But I held open the possibility that something in the future would come along. Eventually we learned about Dr. Stone. He was so positive. He was the first doctor I saw that just was so enthusiastic. It was great, and the surgery was great. So it was 10 years ago that I had the meniscus graft. I couldn't ski, I couldn't hike, especially downhill, and I'm doing that now, and I'm skiing. I'm now living a very active life. I have 2 little munchkins at home, and I can run around with them, and I can fully squat down with them, which I do all the time. I do yoga, so there's not a lot that I haven't found anything actually that I can't do.